Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious creamy blackberry lemonade that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious, creamy, refreshing blackberry lemonade, these are the ingredients. I have frozen blackberries, granulated sugar, evaporated milk, condensed milk, water, and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and refreshing blackberry lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start here first making my simple syrup, and I'm using 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and I am adding everything to my pitcher here. I'm going to take it to the stove. I am going to cook it until the sugar has dissolved completely, and then when this is done, I'm just going to let it rest to come up to room temperature. And now I'm going to continue with my blackberries. I have frozen blackberries, but of course you could use fresh blackberries. I am going to put them on my pan, and I am going to take it to the stove. I am going to add 1 cup of water, and I am going to cook it just for a couple minutes, so that when I add the milk, the condensed milk, evaporated milk, it doesn't cut the milk through. So now I'm just gonna leave it in here, let cook for about 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. And when it is boiling from the center, that means that it is ready. Turn off the stove, let it rest until it comes to room temperature. It really doesn't take too long, but this creamy blackberry lemonade really comes out delicious, refreshing, and it is perfect for this hot weather. Look at this. This is already done. I'm just going to let it rest. I'm going to continue mixing the rest of the ingredients. I have 1/2 cup of the simple syrup. I'm going to add the condensed milk, the evaporated milk, and I am going to incorporate all these liquids, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated before I start adding the mixture of the blackberry. It's at room temperature. I'm going to add some right into the mixture, and the rest I am going to blend so that you have that texture of the blackberry in your refreshing water. If you don't want that texture, don't add any. Just blend everything. Of course, I'm using my NutriBullet. The NutriBullet, I only use it for my smoothies and for my mixtures of my lemonades, so that it doesn't come out spicy. You know I love spicy food, so I have my NutriBullet only for my lemonades and my smoothies. And I'm adding a little bit of water. I am going to blend for a couple minutes, making sure that everything is nice and blended. Of course, you are going to love this amazing and refreshing lemonade. And here I have the mixture already ready to go. I am going to go ahead and start adding it to the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to pour it in here, and the color is going to change completely. Look at this. Such an amazing color. To this, I'm going to add some water, and I'm just going to continue mixing, and then I'll be ready to add it to my pitcher full of ice. Make sure that when you add it to your pitcher has enough ice. It's so hot here in California that of course you are really going to enjoy this refreshing blackberry lemonade. Look at this. It looks amazing. And I am sure it's gonna taste delicious. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this refreshing blackberry lemonade. You need to try it. You need to make it. It's really creamy. It's so concentrated with the blackberry. Just amazing. But this is the part I really love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The flavor of the blackberry is so concentrated. You can even feel the little pieces of the blackberry. Just amazing. And it is perfect for this hot weather. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this creamy and refreshing blackberry lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.